Hello everyone, my name is Egidio. I'm a student of the CS50 course Web Programming with JavaScript and Python from Harvard and accessed on EDX platform. And I'll be talking about my first project called Project Zero. Um, I'll show you first the web pages I've created and then I'll be talking about the source code in the end of this video, okay? Here's the link. You can access the link on the YouTube video description. I'll let this link there, okay? So let's go there. The pages are talking about the course itself, why I'm studying web programming, some nice stuff I found on Bootstrap component web page, and just a little bit about me. On the home page, there are these paragraphs and a reference to a Pink Floyd song that I like. On the why page, why I'm studying web programming. There's the why and there's the because. Because I believe we can make the world awesome. And you can read on this way as a single row or square by square. I believe the knowledge is the next step to our desired future. That we can this, that we should make that, and etc. etc. Okay? On the nice stuff page, as I mentioned here on the warning alert, I haven't learned JavaScript yet, so I've just used the basic components to make reference to the four pages. So you can use the unordered list, that's not Bootstrap, but the other ones, the gray buttons and the list with the gray line between them, between each page, they always make reference to the pages. And in the Who Am I, there's my profile photo from LinkedIn. The file is not on the GitHub repository. There's href, and I say here that I'm studying for a science and technology bachelor degree and that I work in a tech department of a Brazilian company. There's the hyperlink to my LinkedIn account and also the hyperlink to the research projects I've developed at university. They are in Portuguese, okay? So I'm from Brazil. I am a Brazilian Portuguese native speaker. So if you have any questions about the contents of these pages, feel free to send me a message on LinkedIn or YouTube, okay? So let's go to the source code. I'll talk about the HTML first and then of the CSS SCSS file later. Okay? All the HTML files have these style sheets. The first one to the Bootstrap reference and the other one to my own file. They always have the unordered list to make the access to the other files available. On the Y HTML file, I use the container class, the container component, and I use the even columns and odd columns to change the color of each square. So there's one is gray, the light gray, and the other one is white. And well, the website is responsive. So if it gets smaller or a medium size, you can see that it's transformed in a single column. It was a single row and now it's a single column. Okay, the last one is blue because I've used this ID last blue. Okay, so here's split it in two columns, and here is split in 12 columns, 12 sizes. Let me select that. On the Nice Stuff web page, there is the use of the northern list, of the alert warning class, the bottoms, and the list group flush class. Okay? On the Who Am I, there's just the href to the Bootstrap, to the LinkedIn, to and to my university webpage talking about my research project. Okay, on the style sheet, my own file, this SCSS file, there's the use of variable, the light gray. It's applied on the I tag on the H1 and H6 tag. You can see here on the who am I here, it's the shadow. When you hover the mouse over the references here and over the bottom, they get bold, the column title get bold, and the bottom, as it has a reference, it gets bigger. So you can see here, well, on the Y it gets bold, right? And in the nice stuff, either the link or the bottoms get bigger. Okay, well, that's it. That's the use also of the ID, that it makes the background light blue. And well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.